This is Tivoo. This is Ditoo. And this is Mindy. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we'll be talking about 3 ways these tiny Bluetooth speakers behind me can improve your setup. One thing I love about these speakers is that they fit into almost any environment, so whether you're working from home or you're looking for props for your film set, these are something to look at. But first, what are these? These are Bluetooth speakers but with a screen, and that means you can go crazy with pixel art like what I'm doing here. It also displays notifications, acts as an alarm clock, and you can game on them. The difference is that this looks like a retro TV screen, whereas this is like a little throwback to the olden day computers or a gaming console with like a joystick here and all these keys that you can press. I'll leave links below for you guys to check out more details. But firstly, how these can improve your setup is by either putting them as a centerpiece or putting them at the back, flushed with your setup. These speakers have a mix of modern/retro design, so they fit almost anywhere. They're super eye-catching as well. I mean, the first thing my friends noticed when they walked into my room were these babies. Tip 2 is to go crazy with pixel art to liven up your setup. There's a whole community of artists out there, and they've uploaded designs on the Divoom app where you can browse and select. And of course, they're free to use. Or you can actually create your own. You can leave a positive message that you want to remind yourself for the day and place them on your desk. It just might brighten up your day. Well, it also can be animated or still. I love to use them as a background when I film or when I do live streams on Twitch. They just make my setup so much more fun. Third tip, use them as a speaker. They're actually surprisingly good and kind of loud, which is good. Both has internet radio, Bluetooth, or you can put in a TF card that contains all your music. The Tivoo Max is a 40-watt speaker with a subwoofer, and for its size, it sounds pretty impressive. I also compared this to the HomePod and it's not bad.
Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you.
But for me, the HomePod is still unbeatable. And there you go. These are the top 3 things that I believe can improve anyone's setup. Here are some other really cool features that I don't use, but you might. You can actually game on them. It has Snake, Magic 8 Ball, Dice. It's like a throwback to the times when Snake was the only game on the Nokia phone. It also lets you leave a voice memo. It has a DJ mixer, a weather report, daily planner, and a smart alarm clock. These produces calibrated sound as well as white noise that might improve your sleep. I don't really use it, but you might. They also display your phone notifications, like if you receive a call from your mom, you'll see it on the screens. It's not my favorite feature because something like that might get me super distracted. Overall, they're really versatile and can be anything you want. I personally like it because of its aesthetics, the pixel art, and the way it fits so nicely in my background. It just adds so much life to the videos. Divoom also has many other variations of this, like the Pixel Slingback, Pixel Backpack, wow, the classic speakers, Timebox Mini, Temu. Oh my gosh, they're just so cute. But if you're just looking for a Bluetooth speaker, I wouldn't recommend them. There are cheaper options out there which probably sounds better, and I'll link them below. If you're into the other stuff that these offers, this is pretty worth it. I know of people who would just get this for the customizable pixel art. If you guys enjoyed this, hit subscribe to help the channel reach 10,000 subs by the end of this year. Take care, stay minty, goodbye.